weekend lessons start at 12.
I know one interesting thing for you to feel energetic. I have a new game.
Game? I'm ready.
Run, jump, and answer the questions. The player who gets to the top of the tower first wins. You have 5 minutes to do the task.
Look, we are at the start. 1, 2, 3, go!
Aha! It's level 1. Let's jump high. Oops! Oh, Rob is here.
Let's read the question. What do you do at night when you are tired? I have dinner. Oh no. Wrong answer.
I don't have dinner. I go to bed when I am tired at night. Yeah, correct. Level 1 complete. What is next? Run, run, run! Hey, Charlie, here is the next question. What do you do from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. from Monday to Friday? I meet my friends. Oops. I study at school from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Perfect! Level 3 is waiting for me. Wow, this level is hard. Next block. Amy is coming too.
Hi, Lucy. The last question for us. What do you do with your clothes before going to bed? Of course, I dance in them in front of the mirror. Ah!
No, Amy. The answer is we get